So Mukta is free of cost. So if you just type, so the source as well as the files are available free of cost. Okay, so you can go to Git. So if you just type Ek Mukta, you will go to the GitHub site. So the GitHub site has both the source files as well as the binaries. Okay, if you don't want to download the fonts and use it directly via the cloud, you can go to google.com/fonts and you will find Mukta over there.
This? त्यात गुगल ट्रान्सलिटरेशन वर आपण टाइप केलं तर इकडे जे
so they're Unicode based fonts. So yes, so if you use the Google transliterations, the fonts will work.
तुम्ही एवढं सगळं टॅलेंटेड गोष्टी करताय, मग ते गुगल ट्रान्सलेशन मध्ये एक्झॅक्टली सिंटॅक्स बेस कन्व्हर्जन करू शकेल का?
नाही, so this I didn't understand. Can you please repeat?
म्हणजे आता मी जर इंग्लिश मध्ये काय टाइप केलं
बरोबर
तर त्याचं मला कानडी येत नाही किंवा मला तामिळ येत नाही, पण ते अॅक्युरसी काय त्याची मला काय माहिती, म्हणजे ते कळणार कसं? त्याच्याकरता काही आहे का काही सॉफ्टवेअर की आता मी इथं इंग्लिश मध्ये टाईप करतोय आणि तुम्ही तामिळ येणार, करेक्ट? तर मला मी इंग्लिशमध्ये वाक्य लिहिलेलं ट्रान्सलिटरेशन मधनं तुमच्याकडे तामिळ येताना ती चुकून शिवी पण होऊ शकते ना, मला कसं कळणार?
But yes, but that's not. I'm not a.
No. Is there that kind of innovation available? Or
we are talking two different ideas. But yes, his question is valid, and we should address that question somewhere for sure. I don't know whether you can provide the answer later somewhere in the.
No. So to the first question, are the fonts freely available? Yes, they are. They are available on Google Fonts. They are Unicode-based fonts. So if you use the Google transliteration, which is if you write Bharat Maza Desha, BHARATMAZA, so the string that you get is a Unicode string, and you can use the same fonts for the same. Okay. The other question which you are asking, which is that you should be able to write something in English and it becomes Tamil, that is a tough question. That probably requires a linguistic expert, and there are several people who are working on this. But I certainly am not an expert on that.
One side question I have is that Photoshop and these fonts don't match generally. Unicode,
right. So essentially, so Adobe with Adobe CS6, CS5 and CS6, they have introduced something called as the World Ready Composer, which has support for Unicode-based fonts. Okay, so CS5, CS6 onwards, Unicode-based fonts work.
Yeah. Why I'm asking this question is because a lot of NGOs actually are resource constrained,
right?
And they would like to use Unicode and then transport that into So I think that.
So Pratham, which is an NGO, is using Mukta.
Okay.
So we just help them switch from their regional language fonts to Unicode-based fonts.
Okay, great.
Good afternoon, sir. My question is from Shraddhanjali.com. I am from Hans Anti-Hacking Anticipation Society, and sir, we are working in cybercrime arena. So, is there any management there? It is possible through your website, as I show. I put anyone's profile as a that profile. Like I am putting this person profile. This is that. He is that. Sorry, he is that. Is this possible? And you are giving a link to share or anything.
Yes. Well, yeah, it's not the case. You need to sign a couple of agreements before you can upload the profile.
Sir,
okay. That I take the complete responsibility of uploading the profile, and to the best of my knowledge, the person has already passed away. Okay, he is no longer alive. And then you need to pay. We will get your account number, we'll get your complete identity, and then we will upload.
Okay. Thank you.
We don't ask for death certificate. We ask for self-declaration by the subscriber.
But death certificate, I think
It was essential, sir. Nowadays, even newspapers don't ask for it. They have stopped.
Yeah.
Because I mean, they are losing business if they keep on asking.
So one of the suggestion, comment or question I have is possibly a lot of people, like I'm a doctor, and we see a lot of people dying without any relatives around, and they just die as single entity. So maybe you can start this service for such a people.
Surely, sir, we would
With
love
their
to.
photo or some
If we can get the access of
Yeah.
their information, I would like to add to this. Any of the martyrs of Indian Army, Navy or Air Force, okay, any of the martyrs, we are not going to charge anything, not a single penny, to provide the complete service. As a matter of company practices, we are following this practice, and I would love to carry forward sir's suggestion, and we'll do something on that if at all we can get the data. Thank you, sir.
I'm killing your business, but
Not at all, sir. That is what I mean. We want to make the Wikipedia of common people. This is what the aim is all about.
More
Good afternoon. It is not for questions, but we wonder in this small session, there was an array of variety, starting from the basic agriculture up to the software related to the wonderful world of local fonts. And I'm sure the jury also, they had given you the freedom to enjoy the session. And the session was highly enjoyable. We really enjoyed the session, and because they were never rigid, you are also became very, very flexible, and we were moving very easy. Now, my appreciation is that for that Shraddhanjali, it touched my heart because 1 month back I lost my mother. So we were a very big family. Even that joint family is more than 100 members, including in-laws and everybody. So in that small family of 200, and I wanted my youngsters who are very highly well versed in WhatsApp and computer using, and I told them, instead of joking, sharing jokes, why can't you prepare the history, family history of this very big family? So the same thing happened now. Immediately after 1 day, photograph is no more, and nobody remembers, and nobody knows the history of the family, history of each family members. Now, more than this death messages and other history, the capabilities, the history, the entire history of the entire family can be brought in, and many members of the family would be keeping their photographs, albums, everything. All these can be shared, and all these can become monuments forever. So that was the beauty. Then with regard to that software, election software and all that, my just doubt is that what are the facilities in that election software?
It is a completely voter list based election management software, and voter list based analysis, some reports like age wise voter list, how many families are there, how many big families are there, the alphabetical voter list, the double name voter list, the person having to name in the voter list for two and more than two, and we are giving some by default reports, and after after doing some data entry, you can get some other reports also, like caste wise voter list, education profession wise voter list. There are so many reports. Even whenever we go into each area, like when we go to the Gujarat, we find the concept of red green voter list. That means who are our voter, they put a color, green color on the voter name. The opposite party voters, they put red color. Then we bring this concept into our software.
Okay.
And this is the whole thing.
And this great procession, that wonderful photography, videography, dedicated young people, and he also belongs to the same family, that historic family. So that is the passion towards that work, and that is why no wonder why this much hits have come. So wonderful work, and these are how traditions are being kept and maintained. And this font house also, in any regional language, using the proper font, that is a very big problem, and at least people like you are working on it. Congratulations. So it was a nice session.
So the session is not yet still we are half an hour. Now, one suggestion I have is I keep going to Afghanistan, and Afghan people keep telling me that their fonts are not there on the something like that. So maybe that's another area where there is Afghan consulate in Mumbai, a very young guy actually, he's 25-year-old. So I think that's a good connection for you, possibly to develop some Afghan fonts. Yeah.
Right. No, so one major reason why we made the fonts open source is that so there are several graphic designers who want to make fonts. So it's not like, so even if you saw the Dindi logo, it's a nice, those are nice letters, but they don't know how to make it into a font. So what we want to create is create a base which you can use to then create a font of your own. So once you have the so once we have the technical things sorted out, so any designer can sit and sort of make a font.
Yeah. Now I'm sure that my two colleagues have more questions, but meanwhile we have some time. So in 3-4 minutes, each one of you can, if you can tell us, which was not in your presentation, is why you are doing something, what you are doing today. And if there could be an emotional story, of course he has a story already, but I think if you can tell them, then a lot of young people can get an inspiration about being entrepreneur or being some change maker in the life.
I just want to tell, I'm from Sant Tukaram's family. It's not because I'm from that family and I'm doing all this. just once in life you should be in Wari, that Palki Sola, which is from Dehu or Anandi to Pandharpur, and you will get to learn a lot of things like management wise or humanity wise, because that management is you can't get such lessons from IIM also that you get in that Palki Sola from that 20 days or 25 days. People who used to travel by Mercedes Benz or who travel by his own legs, both people travel together, walk together, both people eat together in the same plate, or you get to learn many things. Apart from, I will not say I am having much knowledge about Sant Tukaram's Gatha and all that, but if you come to Wari and experience that once, then you will get to know what is humanity and what Sant Tukaram Maharaj had told in his Gatha. And there is one, you can say why I am doing this, there is one Abhanga of Sant Tukaram Maharaj, Pandaricha Varkari, Vari Chukono Dehari. He is telling Lord Vithala that please don't let me, you can say, avoid this Wari ever. So people having illnesses and all that, their age and all that, these reasons are very important to be not in the Wari. So I just try to get Wari to those people who cannot directly participate, and that's it. That's the main reason.
Good connection I have is I also run an IT company and I work in disaster management, and we actually started creating a lot of disaster management around Wari. So we said that 400 years this Wari is in Maharashtra, and government really did not look at it as a kind of a preparedness people can learn or do. Like there are lots of issues which happen on the track, maybe there is some small epidemic or something like that. And when they reach Pandharpur, I know Pandharpur CMO very well. Sure. So there are no toilets. So all these issues we should start dealing with.
What some people also told me is that you are doing the same thing 3-4 years from 3-4 years. So from the next year we are having a theme of Facebook Dindi, like a theme for cleanliness or something like that. Theme we will be promoting. So actually we have got 50-60 lakhs or 1 crore viewers. But when the procession starts from Dehu to Pandharpur, lakhs of people visit, or you can say take darshan of that palki. So through that palki, actually we are managers of that palki procession. So we can implement that whole theme in palki sola. Each and every dindi will follow the theme, and whatever social message we want to, you can say translate. We want to give, we can give through that theme with Sant Tukaram Maharaj Abhanga, because Sant Tukaram Maharaj has told each and every social issue solution through his Abhangas. So with that Abhanga and through the simple message, we can you can say give a very big message to the society through the Palki Society.
Okay, thanks. Someone else now?
Sir, I actually represent Kerala Agriculture University Center for E-Learning. We started this as an RKVY project, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana project. But after the enormous feedback from our stakeholders, especially not only from those who work in the field of agriculture, but from the local farmers. So some strong positive feedback from farmers. Now we continue the project with commitment and passion. So we also became passionate towards the project. So ours is a very small team, I am the institutional coordinator of the project, and our director, Sir Dr. P. Ahmed, Sir is the director of our Center for E-Learning. Actually, I forgot to introduce the team earlier. Dr. P. Ahmed, Sir. Then one more member.
In Maharashtra, you may lose the job.
Then our systems manager, Sri Nitin, please. So
and which CMS platform you use?
Sir, sir, I will
LMS platform?
Yes, sir, I will tell, sir. I will just hand over the mic to a director.
Anyway, he is not going to lose the job because we have been highly sportive, because youngsters worked for me and I have always a lot of regards to them. And this portal which just started as a website. And in India it is very easy to start a website, especially in English. But our challenge was, we wanted a web portal, technical web portal, which is operable both in English and Malayalam ditto. ditto. Because, and I'm sure we have contributed tremendously that many farmers have started using computer, and their boys and girls are happy because in the name of this website they have purchased computers, laptops, and other gadgets, and students are also using it. So the state is going to become highly computer literate by virtue of this portal, because farmers are tremendously using it. And we have made a point that we will develop this portal as a multi-purpose, multi-model, because last year in the same Mandhan National Awards, at Delhi, our e-Krishi Padashala, one component of that portal, won an award. So, and tomorrow we are going to New Delhi to participate in the World Education Summit Award, and we have been chosen as one of the winners. So we request your prayer also that we get the award there.
Yeah.
And we are flying tonight to New Delhi. So we have the peculiarity is that it is a 100% indigenously designed web portal. 100%. We did not approach any corporate agencies to design that web portal, because our boy is with us, Mr. Nidin. He is the webmaster. If I ask him to make a small correction today, instantaneously he can do it. So that is a beauty, because every day it is being updated, and there are 3 sub portals within that portal, and a lot of multimedia presentations are there. It is an educational institute for agriculture.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Just to mention one project in Bhubaneswar, probably you might know, is eKutir. eKutir actually is doing the similar things, and maybe you can connect together. They are actually reaching out to the farmers with a laptop or a tablet, and they are actually helping the farmers by directly analyzing the soil on the ground itself, and then giving the fertilizer or other kind of a feedback. So yeah. No, but let them finish. I think. Just finish.
Idea came out of fluke only, because we were very well placed with one of the corporate groups called Tata. We and people who can wave you hand. तो एक दिन as a matter of practice जो हमने ऑफिस पे नाश्ता ऑर्डर किया था, it was served और obituary page. लेकिन खोल के काम खा रहे हैं, कोई दिमाग में कुछ नहीं, मस्ती चल रही है. Women was bit disturbed. बोला यार अगर तुम्हारे दादा कहीं आज फोटो छपा होता तो कैसे लगता? बोला बहुत खराब लगता मुझे. तो ये जिसने दिया है उसने ये इंटेंशन के लिए तो नहीं दिया है. बोला बिल्कुल नहीं. तो बोले इसको कोई अच्छी तरह से हम रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते, थोड़ा डिसेंट सा. बोला कैसे? तो बोले वेब का बात कर रहे हैं. बोले हाँ. तो हम सोचे ऐसा तो कुछ होगा, आई मीन देयर शुड बी समथिंग लाइक दिस. तो वी स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग ओवर गूगल एंड ऑल, but we didn't find a single portal exclusively dedicated to our ancestors. Of course, in foreign countries they were there, called Ancestry and Legacy and whatnot. But they are, I mean, language specific, language constraint is there. They are very expensive. I mean, we can't even afford for 1 year. And there were many limitations. We don't call Legacy or Ancestry, okay, or tributes. We call it Shraddhanjali. So luckily we found the domain called Shraddhanjali, and then onwards we started booking called Marhum. If you know Urdu language, so Marhum, if you type marhum.com, it will land you to Shraddhanjali. And there is a word called jannatnasim.com. So it will take you to Shraddhanjali, then Shraddhanjali and Shraddha Suman and all of the relevant words that we could possibly found, we booked it and redirected it to Shraddhanjali. And then people started liking. We are one of the most featured startups of the last year. Okay. So that kept on motivating us. Then India Book of Records आ गया, फिर Limca Book of Records आ गया, फिर NASSCOM 10,000 कंपनी बन गए. तो फिर नरेंद्र मोदी साहब ने अप्रिशिएट कर दिया रिटर्न में फोन करके वो सब. So it kept on motivating us. फिर पैसे भी आने लगे थोड़े थोड़े. I mean, people like you started applying for the subscription and all. और lastly, I mean, last quarter only, we started getting offers to outright sell this portal, which we are not in mood to sell completely, but we have started getting offers from some of the IT conglomerates of India. So that's the good news. That's from So let's wait for a very good news then.
surely, why not? Let's keep our fingers crossed. Thank you, sir.
I think okay.
I think ma'am, give it a few words.
when I started to develop the software, तब मुझे ऐसा पता चला कि सारे ऐसे फील्ड्स हैं जिसमें सॉफ्टवेयर की ज़रूरत है, जैसे छोटी पान पट्टी हो या कोई मंदिर का पुजारी हो या कोई छोटा ग्रोसरी शॉप हो, हर एक चीज़ के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर की ज़रूरत है। तो मैं ये इमेजिन कर रहा हूँ कि ये मेरा मतलब एम है कि मोर देन 25 कंसेप्ट्स आई हैव एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डेवलप 25. I'm going to develop 25 different concept software in 10 Indian languages. Then it comes to 250 products. 250 products of Divanji software. So one day, after it is a mission of next 5 years. After 5 years, we may have 250 products. काहीतरी खपेल, एक तरी खपेल त्यातलं, रोज काहीतरी खपत राहील. So what is the theme? People will go into the shopping mall. There will be a stall of Divanji software. There are so many softwares in that stall, and people will purchase their software. Even suppose anyone has to start a tailoring firm, he will purchase the sewing machines and computers. Then he will go to our website or to shopping mall. He will purchase Divanji tailor software and start his business. This is the concept. And the software will be a very low cost. It is about maximum it is rupees up to 5,000, not more than that.
No. So as a student of history, so one of the reasons why this why it is important to make letters and why it is important to become self-sufficient is, so one of the inspirations was history itself. So technology has primarily been controlled by the West, and because it's been controlled by the West, it exerts a certain undue influence on our culture. And having been a student of history, what I realized, so the freedom fighters, for example, were extremely suspicious of using the printing press, because they felt that the Britishers, because they manufacture the printing press, they can at any point of time pull out the letters, and then we'll be left with nothing. So we'll become dependent on them. So it is like buying guns from the British but having no ammunition. So you can buy a printing press but have no letters. Okay, and so one of the reasons why the font is open source is to enable people to make their own fonts, because the country needs many fonts. Okay, and we are just 4 or 5 people. Okay, most of us are academicians, teaching, doing a whole bunch of things, so it's not possible. So if you look at Mukta, for example, there are around 1,500 glyphs in one weight. Okay, so the regular has 1,500, and you would have 7 weights. Okay, so the glyph count goes up to 10,000. So there are 10,000 individual letters which have to be drawn, then hinted, and a whole bunch of things. Now this is an insane amount of work. Okay, so which is why it's open source. So then the idea is people take the font, modify it, do whatever you want with it, and then become self-sufficient. So that's a short, sort of an inspirational story. Thank you.